I told somebody today, I told one of my employees, you can let fear paralyze you or you can let fear fuel you. So I'm going to let it fuel me real quick. Clock it. YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the prom dress. And my goal today is to just cut out all the pattern pieces for the bottom. The next video we will actually get started putting things together, seeing it all come together. But this is a very exciting piece. This is getting all the pieces together before I actually sew everything. So this is pretty exciting. If you're new here, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any parts of this little series that we have going on right now. I'm super excited. I'm just ready to get started. I did adjust the pattern from the last video. If you haven't seen that video, make sure that you go back and actually watch it. The pattern I drafted on the muslin, it was good. I just didn't like the split. It was way too big. I don't want her to have any issues with like sitting down and not covering her legs. So I did adjust the pattern slightly. And all I need to do now is cut everything out. We're gonna cut everything for the lining and we're gonna cut everything for the beaded fabric as well. So you guys will see all of that in this video. But let me shut up. Let me stop talking, girl. And let's get started.
Look at you. Oh, shoot, I'm on camera, my bad. Why you ain't say that? Hey, y'all. Oh, it ain't.
You gotta go down lower.
I ain't going
Come down lower.
Is that what you're thinking? That I shouldn't marry Charlie? Because yesterday it seemed like you...
thinking we have a lot of footage. Thousands of
I
hours
still
to go
can't
through.
see
No, we
you.
don't. You can stop. Pack it up. We're done.
I can do it. I just need...
Because we don't have a candidate anymore. So pack it up. We give up.
Hey.
What about truth, justice, country, etc.?
Oh.
I'm too old for this back.
My
Blow too hard.
back and forth, hemming and hawing about me.
I'm nervous. I never cut beaded lace before. It should be the same, right? I hope so. Anyway, let's get to it. I told somebody today, I told one of my employees, you can let fear paralyze you or you can let fear fuel you. So I'm gonna let it fuel me real quick. Clock it.
I'm sure.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Getting slowly, when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. She's making me feel like ooh. When I get around you, I feel easy. Easy. 'Cause I feel so good with you.
All due respect. The chief of staff doesn't make these decisions, the president. So all due respect, Ms. Webster, I speak for the president right now. I am the president. And I'm telling you, this isn't a death.
So I finished cutting out those pattern pieces for the bottom of the dress. It went well. Let this be a sign to face your fears. Don't be scared, because if you do something challenging, you can learn a lot. And what's the worst that could happen? Exactly. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below. The next video, we're going to be sewing everything together. And we're also going to get started on the corset and connecting the bottom of the dress to the pre-made corset that we have. So that should be a very exciting video. That might be the last one, but I'm not sure. I might split those two up. It just depends. So just make sure you stay tuned in, like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss nothing. And that's all I have for y'all. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.